Today, we are making one of Korea's most famous dishes, bibimbap. Everyone loves this dish. Once you try it, you might end up making it every day. Let's start to make real Korean bibimbap. Now, let's prep the ingredients for bibimbap. First, zucchini. Wash it well, trim the end, and slice it into thin strips. Next, carrot. Peel it and slice it into thin strips. The thinner the better. Now for shiitake mushrooms. Do not wash them with water. Just wipe out any dirt with a paper towel. Remove the stem and slice into thin strips. Not too thick. Cut the onion into small pieces. Just keep them bite-sized, not too big. Now for the bean sprouts. Rinse them well under running water and remove any bad stems. Check off the excess water and you are done. Finally, spinach. It can have dark on it, so rinse it well under running water. Check off the excess water and it is ready. All the ingredients are prepped and good to go. Now, let's start cooking the ingredients. Let's start with the onion. Heat up a pan and add a little cooking oil. Once it's hot, lower the heat to medium-low. Cook or bibimbap ingredients are medium-low heat. High heat can burn them and ruin their natural color. Add all the onions and stir them well. Add about 2 pinches of salt. Keep stirring so they do not burn. Once they turn soft and slightly transparent, they are ready. Next, carrot. Add a little oil and stir fry in the pan. Just like before, add 2 pinches of salt. Cook for about 5 minutes until the crunch softens. Now the carrot is ready. Now zucchini. Add a little oil and stir fry. Same as before, 2 pinches of salt. Cook for about 3 minutes until it turns soft. Easy, right? Now shiitake mushroom. Add a little oil and stir fry the mushrooms. Season with 2 pinches of salt. Cook until they are done, but do not let them burn. Now spinach. Bring a pot of water to boil and add all the spinach. Once it starts boiling again, cook for just 30 seconds. Rinse in cold water, then squeeze out of excess water. Trim the end and cut in bite-sized pieces. Add 2 pinches of salt and 2 spoons of sesame oil, then mix well. And just like that, it is ready. Very nice. Now, bean sprouts. Blanch them in boiling water. Once they come back to a boil, cook for about 30 seconds. Rinse in cold water to keep that nice crunch. Squeeze out excess water. Add 2 pinches of salt and 2 spoons of sesame oil, then mix well. Now for the fried egg. Heat a pan with a little oil, then lower into low heat. We want a runny yolk. Add a pinch of salt, and once the whites are fully set, it is ready. Finally, let's make the bibimbap sauce. Mix 2 spoons of gochujang, 1 spoon of sugar, and 1 spoon of sesame oil. Give it a good mix and it is done. Simple, but seriously delicious.
So good!
Great job! You made it! Everything is ready for your bibimbap. All of these are classic Korean side dishes. You can enjoy it wrapped over the next day. Nothing goes to waste. Now, let's build the bibimbap. Start with a bowl of rice. Add as much of each topping as you like. Take your time and make it look beautiful. Place the fried egg right in the center. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seed. Start with the sauce on the side. Now it's ready. Enjoy!
Wow, this looks beautiful! This is the famous Korean bibimbap. This is bibimbap at its best. I honestly could not stop eating.